What is up, YouTube? We're back. For today, I know I promised you guys some S2000 content, but you know, we still broke boys. Ain't that right, Clyde? Can you yeah, so today we're gonna install some, wait, let me pull it out. Mango. Guess what this is? Tell them, Clyde. Tell them what we're gonna do today.
First of all, where's your car?
Oh yeah, no, just tell them what we're gonna do first. There's my car, right there. There it is.
Perfect timing.
Wait. Perfect timing. Bang! Oh shit! I don't want to scratch this. Fuck. There she is, the beauty. The daily. We're gonna be installing some tint on this bitch, cause look at this. It's some fishbowl action right now. You can see completely through. Okay, wait. You gotta move the car.
Yeah. Nice to see you guys again. My hair is still long. Gotta go get a haircut, but soon enough. So today, like Anthony said, we are gonna be trying our best to install some window tint on his Corolla. I don't know what year it is. I think it's a 03 or something, if I remember. But yeah, the only reason why we're gonna be putting tint on it because it feels like a fishbowl when you're riding in it, and sometimes we like to have a little bit of privacy in the car. So we're gonna be putting out some tint. Hopefully it goes good because it's our first time for everything. Join along because we about to get started, boy.
I'll show you what we have. We're gonna be doing this on a budget. That's why we bought some tint. We got some cheap tint off eBay. I got this old spray bottle that it was a Febreze bottle before. I just use it for the soapy water. Got my microfiber just to wipe it off, and then we don't have a heat gun, so we're gonna use this, my girlfriend's hair dryer. And then we don't have a squeegee toolkit, so we're gonna use the supplied tool it came with. Can focus on this. No? Okay. But anyway, let's do this.
Small hiding door. But it'll work.
It'll work. First, we're gonna make a small incision. There's not even okay.
I told you that blade dull, you.
Wait, I got it. I got it. Oh, there you go. I'm scared. Can you guys see these photos? I can't see shit. How did they peel it? By hand or they use a blade? Okay,
I mean, I'm pretty sure you can peel it by hand. Oh no, it does, yeah. Right there. Oh, okay. Slowly.
Oh!
Oh, nice time over that chair.
Don't worry.
Still clean.
It's a beater, so.
Still clean. It's okay.
We're gonna get it more moist. It's drying off. Don't be scared to put too much water because you can squeegee all that out
After. Can't really tell on the camera, but this is 35%, which is legal here in Hawaii. And this is what he had before. Nothing. Well, you can't really tell on the camera, but this is already tinted. It's 35, 100% clear. 35, 100% clear. You guys might not tell a difference, but this is dark. What you think of your work, Anthony?
Not too bad for our first time.
Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. He's doing pretty good. I'm just a helper on the side.
Okay, we are done with all the windows except for the back window. What time is it now, Clyde?
7:23.
7:23. Let me show you what we got so far. So this is the back, 5%. Front, 35%. Not bad. Now I can hide my drugs. Pretty good for our first time. What'd you say, Clyde?
Pretty good. We did all the work, but pretty good.
Alright, now we just gotta do this part right here. Back window. And then we'll be done for today. Okay, we just got done. What time is it right now?
9:40.
It's 9:40 and we just finished putting on the back window. Bang! What a fail. Look at all these creases. We tried fixing it, but it was all creased in already, so never mind about what I said earlier. I can do your tint. No, I cannot. What a fail. Damn, it looks so ugly. Holy shit. Okay, we're gonna have to fix this another day because it's late. And do you work tomorrow morning? We're gonna work in the morning. Oh my god, it looks so fucking ugly. Holy shit. We tried. At least the side windows are pretty good. It's cherry, but oh my god. Yep. We're gonna fix this another day. We'll just leave it on for now because it'll look stupid. I don't know what would look more stupid, with leaving this on or taking it off and then just having the sides.
Having it off?
Okay, we're leaving it on. It's an old car anyway, so people would assume it's old tint even though it's fresh. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.